This is my 2015 Yamaha MT-07 or FZ-07, depending on where you're at in the world. I dropped the bike doing a wheelie, checked on YouTube, tried to find a video to replace this quarter panel here, and couldn't find one. So it's going to be a how-to video on how to replace this quarter panel here. Got this panel here off. The bolts that you'll have to remove is obviously the seat. Under the seat is one bolt here and one here, and under this piece of trim you've got two bolts to remove and two clips here, plus another bolt here in this corner here, and one here, and one more bolt here. Now it's just a matter of getting these 5 bolts out, because we're going to be reusing the mesh. Got the air vent installed. Took around 15 minutes, and all the tools that you'll need come with the bike: a flathead screwdriver and the Allen key set. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps someone out.